All right, so let's do another one in standard form. This one is actually written in order, x squared minus 3x minus 1. So from highest power to lowest power, a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the number in front of x, c is this constant out here on its own. Now we're going to do axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is x equals negative b divided by 2a. Negative b, so negative times negative 3 divided by 2a, 2 times 1. Negative times negative 3 would be positive 3. 2 times 1 is 2, so x equals 3 halves. Okay, here's my axis of symmetry. Now, to find my vertex, I'm going to plug in this value from the axis of symmetry into my function. So 3 halves squared minus 3 times 3 halves minus 1. Okay, so I've got 3 halves squared minus 3 times 3 halves minus 1. And I get 3.25. 3.25. Now I can convert that to a fraction. Math, enter negative 13 fourths or negative 13 fourths. Now that's my y. So my vertex itself is going to be, my point's going to be 3 halves, comma, negative 13 fourths. Okay. The y-intercept is just the constant. It's the last term. So it'd be negative 1. Okay. Maximum or minimum, we'll get to that here in a moment. Let's go ahead and start graphing it. So my middle point is 3 halves is my x, and negative 13 fourths is my y. So that's my middle point's going to be 3 halves, which is 1.5. And remember, to find the values, I'm going to pick 2 values before 1.5, so 1 and 0. 2 after that, 2 and 3. And so then I'm going to do plug in 0 into there, plug in 1 into there, plug in 3 halves into there, plug in 2 into there, and plug in 3 into there. Okay, weird looking 3. All right, and now I'm going to simplify 0 minus 0. That'd be negative 1, which is the same as your y-intercept. So 1 squared, that's 1, minus 3 times 1, which is negative 2, minus 1, that'll be negative 3. So I'll do 2 now. 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 6 is negative 2, minus 1 is negative 3. And I'll do 3. Negative 1. Okay, so now I'll plot the points. 0, negative 1. 1, negative 3. 1.5, negative 3.25, so just right in there. 2, negative 3. And 3, negative 1. And we'll connect the dots. Hopefully do better than I did last time. Whoops. Nah, I did not. All right, so make sure it's rounded there. So there's my graph. Okay, does this have a maximum or minimum? This one has a minimum as a bottom point. Concave up or concave down? It's concave up. Domain, how far left does it go? Negative infinity. How far right does it go? Infinity. Range, how far down does it go? Well, it's going to be negative 13 fourths or negative 3.25. How far up does it go? It goes up to infinity. Zeros, it looks like I've got one around. Now, I might graph this. I haven't shown you all this yet. Let's talk about how to graph this. I'm going to graph this. I don't trust my drawing, my sketch very well. Graph. Ooh, yeah, that was close. So one around maybe negative 0.3 and one around 3.2. I'm not, and this is the thing that you could put negative 0.2. Yeah, just put something reasonable and 3.20. So you've got some, don't to be perfect there, just some guesses on that. Okay. Now, a couple things I want to show you. Once I put this in the calculator, now what I can do is I can go to, I have graph, second graph. I could go, when I go to second graph, it gives me this table of values. Now, it won't give me the decimal one. I'd have to set up the table to do that. It won't give me anything that's not, a whole number, but it will give me the other ones there. So just something to help you there. You could use that to help you make your tables, and you could help look at the graph, look at your graphs and make sure you're doing it right.